This story is called Bird Fly High by Horace. Petr means Peter in Czechoslovakia. Hello, little bird. Do you see the birdhouse with the bird inside? Hop, hop, hop on the wire. Flap, flap, flap over the fields. Where is that bird going? Peck, peck, peck at the ground. Why is the bird pecking at the ground? Do you know? Tug, tug, tug at the worm. Ooh, that's such a big worm. Tug hard, little bird. Fly high, quickly home. The bird's at the birdhouse. You think he'll go inside? It's breakfast time. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Oh, I get it. And that's the end of Bird Fly High. See you later, alligators.